I signed up for this thing called Job Hat, and now I can get daily emails. This one says, Boeing is interested in you. Hi, it's my real name. We wanted to let you know that we've just posted an open position within the last day of the job in your area. I'm like, yeah, Boeing wants to hire me.
Hey, you never know. They're like, we need someone to call people about airplanes.
Yeah, we need to talk. We need you to talk to people. It's like, that's not all I do. Like, no, it is. It's like, okay.
That's fair. That's a fair wage.
What is? And if they're like no, I'd be like, you're Boeing. Give me $2 million every year.
Oh dang, this guy's good.
Fine.
Negotiating master. I didn't look what map this was.
I didn't either.
Attrition.
I see him over there.
Fuck off.
Where are we at? I feel really stiff, actually.
Get that. Okay, kill my grunt. Okay.
Oh wow, I got wrecked. I was in their spawn.
Nice.
I didn't know that I was in their spawn though.
Oh. That's okay.
If that makes sense. What is happening?
It's really easy.
Did I get one? I'm so bad.
You got him.
I did.
Oh, I have to sneeze so bad. Not dead yet, not dead yet. That sneeze, not dead
Oh,
yet.
that's so bad.
I got away because I had to sneeze.
Where's my Titan? Did he kick you though?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh wow.
Wait.
Where's my guy?
It's Titan time.
Oh, I got him. That was pretty nutty. This is bullshit.
Sorry, was I talking to myself?
Yeah, like it sounded like it. I don't know.
Oh yeah, can't hide from Papa.
Can't hide from Papa.
That was a little weird.
Got him. Oh, cool. Good job, boys.
Ooh.
Oh God.
I've got a little bad.
Oh, I kicked him.
Oh, there's a guy coming in.
Oh, there is. I just got kicked back. Are you joking?
He stemmed in.
I'm so salty on that. Oh my God.
What?
Oh my God. We won. Yes. Got him. He's so mad.
Oh, mine was dead.
Oh, I got extra ammo finally on my pistol because I got the level 2. What?
This is not a high level at all.